After you have successfully installed the new electronic throttle body in your Nissan, a relearn procedure must be carried out. There should be no fault stored in the engine control unit before beginning the procedure. Check the vacuum and crankcase ventilation systems for leaks and repair them if necessary. The oil dipstick and the timing cover should also be free of leaks. Check that the battery voltage is higher than 13 volts when idling. Disconnect the battery for at least 30 seconds to reset the control unit. Don't forget, this may also reset the pin on your radio. Reconnect the battery and bring the engine and transmission up to operating temperature. Before starting the relearn procedure, be sure to turn off all loads such as the radio, lights, and air conditioning, and place the steering wheel into the straight ahead position. The first step is setting the throttle neutral and lock positions. To do this, turn the ignition on for 2 seconds without starting the engine, and then turn off for 10 seconds. Repeat this procedure 2 times. Next, with the throttle pedal released, turn on the ignition without starting the engine and wait for 3 seconds. Fully press and release the accelerator pedal 5 times within 5 seconds. With the ignition still on and the engine off, wait 7 seconds, then fully depress the accelerator pedal for approximately 20 seconds until the malfunction indication lamp has changed from flashing to constant. After approximately 10 seconds, the malfunction indication lamp will start flashing. After the light flashing, release the throttle pedal within 3 seconds. Start the engine and let it idle for approximately 20 seconds. If the relearn procedure was not successful, repeat this entire procedure again.